The Florida Department of Transportation, Florida's Turnpike enterprise, welcomes you to the public hearing for the Suncoast Parkway 2, State Road 589, Phase 2 Design Project from State Road 44 to County Road 486. Financial Project Identification Number 442764-1. To navigate through the information, click a menu link on the left side of the screen. This video will provide helpful information about the project. It begins by discussing the 3 participation options for the December 8th, 2020 public hearing, then provides a project overview and explains how you can get involved. The department encourages and welcomes your participation. Thank you. The public hearing will be available virtually, online, via telephone, and in person. You may participate remotely via a computer, tablet, or smartphone with a broadband connection by using a free version of the GoToWebinar online meeting application. Webinar. Attendees will need to register prior to December 8th, 2020 at www.suncoast2.com. The webinar opens at 5:45 p.m. with a formal presentation at 6 p.m., followed by a public comment period. By phone, in listen-only mode, attendees may dial 1-562-247-8422 and enter audio access code 788-095-786. In person, Citrus County Fairgrounds Auditorium, 3600 South Florida Avenue, Inverness, Florida, 34450. Doors at the Citrus County Fairgrounds Auditorium will open at 5:30 p.m. All hearing attendees will be able to watch the live-streamed formal presentation. The purpose of the public hearing is to share information with the public about the preferred alternative, the proposed new interchange at County Road 486, and the minor roadway alignment modifications between State Road 44 and County Road 486. The hearing will provide an opportunity for the public to comment on the preferred alternative for the project. Every FDOT project goes through several project phases. Together, these phases are called the project development process. Currently, for this project, we are in the design and reevaluation phase, indicated by the red arrow. During the project's planning phase, FDOT and local governments conducted ongoing long-range transportation planning to identify and prioritize individual projects. During the Project Development and Environment, or PD&E study, numerous alternatives and their potential social and environmental effects were examined. During the design and reevaluation phase, detailed construction plans are prepared. The right-of-way acquisition phase is when additional property needed for construction is purchased. The Suncoast Parkway 2 Phase 2 design project schedule is tentative and subject to change. The final design phase began in January 2019. Public input received at the public meeting held on January 23, 2020 has been reviewed. Design updates have been incorporated into the plans where feasible. Final plans are anticipated to be completed by fall 2022, and construction is anticipated to begin in late 2022. The Suncoast Parkway 2 is a planned 4-lane tolled roadway that will extend 26 miles from US 98 in Hernando County to US 19 in Citrus County. The Suncoast Parkway 2 is divided in 3 phases. Phase 1 is currently under construction from US 98 to State Road 44 in Lecanto. Phase 2 will extend from State Road 44 to County Road 486, a distance of approximately 3 miles. This phase will complete the interchange at State Road 44 and construct an interchange at County Road 486. Phase 3 from County Road 486 to US 19 is not currently funded. All work on this phase is currently on hold. The proposed typical section will provide 4 12-foot wide travel lanes, 2 in each direction, with 8-foot wide paved shoulders on the inside, 12-foot wide shoulders on the outside, and a grass median. The proposed limited access right-of-way for the road will be 300 feet in width. A 12-foot wide multi-use trail will also be constructed along the west side of the Suncoast Parkway. The right-of-way for the multi-use trail will be 50 feet wide. Stormwater facilities will be constructed along both sides of the roadway. The preferred alternative will extend Suncoast Parkway 2, State Road 589, over State Road 44 and continue onto existing Knoll Road and County Road 486. The project will complete the State Road 44 Diamond Interchange. The preferred alternative provides a northbound off-ramp to County Road 486 and a southbound on-ramp which bridges over the new Suncoast Parkway 2 travel lanes. Existing Knoll Road will be realigned to intersect with County Road 486 opposite of Pine Ridge Boulevard. Local roads will be modified as needed to maintain access to area properties. This legend is shown in the preferred alternative slides for ease of reference. The purpose of the legend is to assist in understanding the colors and symbols on the following slides, which illustrate the preferred alternative. For example, the color orange is used to represent the proposed Suncoast Parkway 2 roadway that will be constructed as part of this project. The north arrow shown here pointing down and to the right is shown on each of the following slides, maintaining this same orientation throughout. This slide shows the preferred alternative relative to the existing local roads, properties, and previously approved alignment, which was developed as part of the State Environmental Impact Report, or SEER, reevaluation approved in 2010, shown in gray. North is down and to the right in this exhibit, making the top and bottom of the exhibit west and east of the Suncoast Parkway 2, respectively. This orientation is maintained in the following slides. The proposed Suncoast Parkway 2 Phase 2 roadway is shown in orange, tying into Phase 1, shown in green, at State Road 44, and terminating at County Road 486, where the future Phase 3 extension is shown in blue. Phase 3 is currently not funded for construction and is on hold. Bridges at State Road 44, West Sanction Road, and the southbound on-ramp from County Road 486 will be constructed by this project and are shown in purple. Bridges associated with Phase 3 that are captured in this slide are also shown in purple. Phase 3 bridges will not be constructed as part of this project. Proposed right-of-way lines are shown in red, and potential pond sites are shown in dark blue to illustrate potential impacts to adjacent properties. The proposed toll site location is shown using a lime green box. Existing and proposed signalized intersections are identified with traffic signal symbols as denoted in the legend. Local roads which are being modified as part of this project are depicted in brown. Adjacent local roads are labeled in white and light blue. Select local businesses and landmarks are called out in black and white. The typical section is shown next to the legend, which is a detailed cross-section depiction for the proposed Suncoast Parkway 2. This graphic is available to download on the project website at suncoast2.com under the Documents section. The Diamond Interchange at State Road 44 will be completed with this project. Mainline Suncoast Parkway 2 will bridge over State Road 44 with signalized northbound on-ramp and southbound off-ramp. The proposed 12 feet wide multi-use trail will connect to Phase 1, making use of the proposed signalized intersection. The preferred alternative provides a northbound off-ramp to County Road 486 and a southbound on-ramp, which bridges over the new Suncoast Parkway 2 travel lanes. This proposed interchange is located at existing Knoll Road, which will be realigned. There will be no direct connection between Suncoast Parkway 2 and Pine Ridge Estates. The recommended interchange alternatives require Knoll Road be realigned. A cul-de-sac will be constructed south of the proposed Suncoast Parkway 2, and the realignment will connect to County Road 486 across from West Pine Ridge Boulevard. The extension of Suncoast Parkway 2, Phase 3, is currently on hold. The projected traffic conditions for the 2050 design year are shown here. A projected level of service, or LOS, and anticipated delay in seconds per vehicle is provided at each of the proposed signalized intersections to be constructed as part of this project. Level of service is a term used to qualitatively describe the operating conditions of a roadway based on factors such as speed, travel time, maneuverability, delay, and safety. It is identified using letters A through F, with A being the best, or free flow, and F being the worst, or forced flow or breakdown. Draft documents will be made available to review before and after the public hearing. These documents can be reviewed digitally at the project website, suncoast2.com, or in person at the Central Ridge Library and the Coastal Region Library. Individuals who register online can provide written comments at the time of registration. Sign up online to provide verbal comments. Fill out a comment form at the in-person venue. Complete speaker request card to provide verbal comments at the in-person venue, or you can email your comments to Francisco Cardona, Project Manager for Florida's Turnpike Enterprise, at francisco.cardona@dot.state.fl.us. All comments received or postmarked by December 28, 2020 will become part of the official public record for this public hearing. If you have any questions or would like more information, you may contact Francisco Cardona, Project Manager for Florida's Turnpike Enterprise. Email francisco.cardona@dot.state.fl.us. Phone number 407-264-3029. All media inquiries should be directed to Stephanie Eisenberg, Community Outreach Specialist for Florida's Turnpike Enterprise. Email stephanie.eisenberg@dot.state.fl.us. Phone number 407-264-3064. This hearing is being held in compliance with Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 as amended. Public participation at this hearing is encouraged and solicited without regard to race, color, national origin, age, sex, religion, disability, or family status. Persons wishing to express concerns relative to the Department's compliance with Title VI, please contact one of the following. This contact information is shown here and will be provided on a sign displayed at the entrance to the public hearing.